Good Sunday morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, and I'm the Mediocre Modeler. And welcome to this edition of Sunday Morning Model Cars and Coffee, hosted by Paul at Left Coast Model Car Builds. I'm going to leave the link in the description for everybody I mentioned in this video. First, I'd like to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and I hope you enjoy the show. Today I'm going to be showing you a couple built-up models that I bought from a vendor at GraniteCon Model Car Show in Ware, New Hampshire. That was last weekend, and I was, just browsing, looking around, and I struck up a conversation with this vendor, and he had some really cool built-up kits that he told me that he got from Steve Magnante, and I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. But he's a great builder. He worked for Mika Model Auctions, and he was at Classic Plastic a couple of weeks ago, and I didn't get a chance to go talk to him, unfortunately, but I wanted to meet him. I was a little intimidated by it. That's just me. Anyways, I'll show you what I got. I'll turn you around here, and I hope you enjoy it. Good stuff. I forget the vendor's name, but here's his card. Goulie Motors. So yeah, he's a good guy, and I'm sorry I forgot his name, but he sold me these kits, and they're pretty cool. The first one, I don't know what kit it is, so you guys can probably tell me in the comments below. This is the first one. This thing, I don't believe it's painted, but the detail is exquisite. The chrome, there's no flaws on it. Yeah, so this is an incredible kit. And when I saw it, I had to have it, especially, I think it came from, like he said, Steve Magnante. The guy's a great builder, and, everybody in the car community knows him. And I'm glad you're feeling better, Steve. I wish I would have reached out to meet you a couple weeks ago at Classic Plastic, but hopefully someday. That's a great example of just building it right out of the box, and there's no way I could build a model as good as this. Let me get in a little closer here. There we go. So I hope all you guys are doing well this Sunday morning. Great stuff going on in the community. And I thought I'd show you this, and it's pretty cool. The next one, I know what it is. It's the Monsters coach. Check this out. I don't even think it fits on the, I have to get a piece of wood. Hold on. Here we go. Monsters coach. Check this thing out. It's not even painted, and it's still a beautiful model. It's a great example of mocking things up, I guess. Just building it straight out of the box with no paint. But great detail. I love this thing. I'm going to cherish this thing forever. Pretty cool stuff. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. And I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. I'm glad I have them in my stash. You know, like I said, I'm going to cherish them for forever. Peace out, everybody.